that remind me of E.T. It smells really bad. It's like being born again.
I am who I'm meant to be.
Ella! Good morning! Good morning, princess! Aw, say hi, Rookie. Aw, Rookie's so happy to see you. Aw, say good morning, Rookers. Give him a hug. Some Milky? Yeah. Oh, thank you for that ninja. Oh, wait. No, that's not the ninja. That's Chase's on the case.
Welcome back. Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of Vlogmas, right?
Yeah.
It is 8:15. It's usually a lot busier in here, but the flooring people came yesterday, as you see. They're gonna come and start sanding and staining today.
Yeah.
Is it so exciting? Yeah. That does mean, however, that little ones are gonna be trapped upstairs for at least a couple of hours. Carter's got school today. Tanner doesn't. We put Carter in like the lunch bunch, so I packed his lunch. Also packed like an upstairs cooler with all kinds of lunch, food, snacks, anything they kind of need up there. I think Tiff is going to record a video at her sister's house. I don't know, it's kind of still up in the air, but she's gonna be like reorganizing her kitchen. I feel like this is not focusing great, so sorry about that. But I'm not sure what I'm doing. I think I have a little bit of like Christmas shopping type stuff to do. I've also got to get some like business end stuff figured out today. Health insurance is due, all the fun stuff for the business, but right now we need to get cleaned up and get these kids back upstairs. Ella is like all done her breakfast. Oh, Elf on the Shelf came back. Let me show you that real quick. What do you think? You wanna eat that?
Touch him, what happened?
I think he loses his magical powers. You're pushing it. Carter has to show you something.
The elf?
What did he bring?
I don't know. He's packing his candy for me.
He's packing his candy for you?
Yeah.
Gotta be a good boy. You can have some after dinner, okay?
Okay.
Let's hope they can wait till after dinner to have that candy. And we made breakfast. That's been pretty much it so far. So let's go. Let's go take on the rest of the day. It is so nice though, not having to worry about these little ones with that plywood flooring anymore. And also one more thing as I finish up my breakfast here. I always forget to kind of update you guys because like things are obviously changing every 10 seconds. Beach House is out because we have stuff this weekend here that we have to be around. And I talked to the flooring people a little bit more in depth, and they were like, all the sanding is gonna be confined to whatever room they're in. They're gonna put up sheets and that kind of thing, or plastic. So we don't really have to worry about that. The biggest thing is gonna be like probably next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday while they're staining, that the odor is gonna be bad, so we should probably go somewhere then. However, we're gonna try and live through it right now. If the dust gets really bad and we don't like it for our babies, we're gonna be like, forget this, we're out of here, we're gonna go somewhere. But right now we're gonna do our best to kind of live through it and see what it's like. All right, so just got Carter to school here and he's showing you. We didn't have any juice boxes because we like haven't really done like good grocery shops, and he has to bring his lunch for lunch bunch today. So I had to stop at a gas station and I was looking for like the character tops. They used to have them, but they didn't. So he got away with this, and T.BEASTON is probably going to cringe when she sees that he's bringing this today. But you're excited, right?
Daddy, how do you drink out?
You gotta have your teacher help you open it up. Here, let's put it in the bag.
How?
And he also said to me, he was like, "Oh, Daddy, I remember this from, what'd you remember it from?"
From like a long time ago.
From your picnic a long time ago, yep. But I probably could have just got like a thing of apple juice, but he really wanted that, so we went with it. All right, we gotta get you in. We're a little bit late. You ready? Ready for school?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so I just got home to the flooring guys being here. We decided we were gonna move all the furniture out of this room. I had to put all the cushions to it upstairs, and they carried all the couches to the garage. So that stuff will be out of the way. That way they don't have to kind of push it back and forth. But they're gonna begin sanding, I think, in here. And they said they should be ready to stain in the next like 2 to 3 days. So it's pretty sweet. Comcast is also here, digging up our yard, running the line so that we can actually have Comcast cable. All right, honey, go get your work done.
I am.
Get your organizations on.
I'm excited. I got some tools here. There's something else I wanted to. Oh, my label maker.
Can't forget the label maker. Alright. Instead of making you guys spend time with me, you know, I'm just gonna put the camera down for a little bit, and I'll pick back up when the kids are done school and T.BEASTON is back and I'm interesting again. Okay?
And also, this dog.
I know. He's a little crazy.
Feel bad for him. It must suck to have anxiety like that.
You're a little crazy, huh?
Remember he was on Prozac? I wonder
Poor
if we
dog.
give him a little bit of it. From Crystal's organization, I'm gonna come home and eat and nurse Ella, but Chris told me that it's gonna be really interesting how I'm supposed to get inside, so let's check it out. Why does that remind me of E.T.? It smells really bad.
Oh, we're home.
My honey. Hi.
Did he just call you honey? I think he did. Cheese. You're too cute, dude. Who's ready for quiet time?
I'm not.
That little face looks ready.
Watch. Whoa, you could dance? Uh-oh.
Oh, that was easy getting up those stairs, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's like being born again.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting when I have to go take Ella and Tanner to pick up Carter.
I know. Actually, hurry up.
What time is it? 2:30?
Relaxing and eating.
That's alright. I just picked up Salad Works and got home and realized like I didn't put any silverware in. Luckily, she had a fork from breakfast. I'm using a kid's fork that I found in my pocket. But things always just kind of work out for me. Alright, we'll catch back up when we're a full family again. You first up from nap?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you doing? You look like you're surfing on there. Alright, so as Tanner, I think, is waking up right now. He better be. It's almost 2:15 and we have to pick Carter up by 2:30. But I'm like sitting here plotting. They're obviously still working. You can hear them downstairs. Don't want to bring these kids back here and just be stuck up here in the playroom and that kind of thing. So I am thinking I might take them to the trampoline park because I'm running out of ideas. I can't be outside. It's too cold. There's germs there, but I mean, like, how many germs are on the trampoline park, really? Right? It's pretty clean. It's kind of close to where Tiff is, so maybe she can meet us after. I don't know. We gotta do something. I'm tired of going to my mom's house. No offense, Mom, if you watch these. I don't think you watch it, but, you know, that's like my only option right now. This little girl, she's so funny. What are you doing? Oh, you found a chip on the floor. But I'll give you a fresh chip. You don't have to eat the chip from the floor. You want a chip? Yeah? Oh, there's my alert that Tanner might be awake. Would you want to go to the trampoline park? You've never been. You want to go jump? Okay, we'll do that, okay? Oh, good job. Let me see. Jump, jump, jump. Good job. Well, that did not go smoothly. I'm glad I didn't show you. But got Tan Man up. He's like definitely a slow waker-upper. He does not just like usually wake up like ready to go. Kind of like Carter does. He you know, wants to be held and that kind of thing. So that made getting out the door really pretty tough. Plus, like Tiff showed you, the little plastic hanging over, the dogs are trying to get down. So, you know, it was definitely tough getting out the door. We're about 5 minutes late picking Carter up, which I definitely feel bad about. I'm sure he's gonna be the last one, because when it's lunch bunch, like, parents are definitely there, like, right at 2:30. But as you saw, it's really hard for us because it's when their nap times are. But let's go get Carter, and I have a little surprise for them, like I just told you. I think he'll be super excited. Got Carter. Were you the last one there?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, buddy. Why am I wearing blue socks?
Because we park a blue park.
It's a trampoline park.
Oh,
Daddy's wearing his blue socks. What? Okay, this did not go quite as planned, as a lot of this stuff in the last like 15-20 minutes has not. But Tanner was upset because I had my blue socks and he didn't have his. But look, there's your blue socks right there.
mine.
All right, I brought yours, and I have Carter's, and we're gonna get some for Ella, and we're all gonna go jump and have fun. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy,
Let's do it.
Jump off that big thing.
Okay.
What?
I forgot. I'm gonna be honest. I forgot you were in your pajamas, so that could be a little bit interesting. But who cares? It's cool to jump around in your pajamas, right? All right. Should we go do it?
Yeah.
All right. When you have boogies and no tissue, you use that, right? Oh boy, if they get sick because of being here, Tiff's gonna kill me. Well, that was fun. Did you guys have fun jumping? Yeah. Ella said yeah, that was her first time. I'll take you back, Ella, since you had fun. The boys didn't, right?
I had fun.
Okay, good.
I didn't.
You didn't? You looked like you had fun.
No.
Look, you're right here jumping. You're having fun. You see this?
What?
Yeah, that'll make sense later. Anyway, it is 4:13. I don't really know what the landscape of our house is. Tiff is still, I texted her and said, how much longer do you have? And she hasn't said anything back. She's cute. Like, her famous last words are always like, it shouldn't be that bad. It shouldn't take that long. And like, when she's going to get her hair done, she says that. When she's about to film a video, she says that. And it always takes way longer than expected, which is fine. Like, people don't necessarily realize, like, it's like work. Like, filming a video, like, yes, it's doing something that is nice for yourself, gets done, but like, it takes a lot of work.
Disney World.
And going to Disney World, that's a lot of work too. But like, you know, she started, I think, at like 9 o'clock. She came home for lunch, like you saw, but other than that, she's been doing it the whole time, at least I think. She could be kicking her feet up with Crystal, like watching Christmas movies. I really wouldn't know, but I'm thinking maybe we'll go that way and check in on her. Let's see where we end up. Were you really working this whole time, or have you been watching Christmas movies?
Right now. I want to wash my hands.
Hi, Scarlett.
I want to wash my hands.
What are you thinking so far?
Yeah.
It's looking really good. My
Yeah?
brain feels so much better.
Oh, nice. Give us a sneak peek.
Mommy, I
Oh yeah.
feel my energy.
All right, they gotta watch the video on Tuesday. Future organizer. You helping mommy work? Can I hold you?
Why?
Can I
Did you
hold
find the drawer of chocolate?
Come here.
She found chocolate.
She did. She sees the Twix bars.
Look at her.
Come here. Can I hold you?
You're rude. You're rude.
She's watching.
What's your cousin doing?
Beaston family of 5 back together.
Wow. I feel like
What a day.
we're living in this car. It's like full of stuff.
We're hoarders in here. There's
We
like
are pretty much living in here.
there's like 9 jackets on the floor because like
You can't have
I was talking to
jackets.
somebody about this in the comments. It's so hard to deal with like jackets in the car because you're not allowed to have the jackets on them, even though we have like a couple other jackets that are really lightweight that like are fine for the car because they're like warm, but they're really, really lightweight. But you know, a lot of times like today we were just running from like here to Crystal's house, which is like what, 15 feet. It takes longer to put the jacket on them, so they're on the cold longer. So a lot of times we just don't. Anyway, that ends up meaning like we do the same thing at home. We end up leaving jackets in the car, and then we grab a new one.
Right?
It's just a vicious cycle, and we have all these jackets in the car, and we don't know what to do with them. So, I missed you, honey.
I miss you. That was a lot of work.
Yeah, I was telling them like in vlog time, like a minute ago, that your famous last words are, "It shouldn't be that bad. It should just be pretty quick."
In my defense, if we didn't have to stop for Scarlett and if I didn't have to go home and nurse Ella and have lunch, like I really do think it would have taken like 3 hours if we just like were consistent nonstop, but we don't have that luxury. Yeah, we're
Shouldn't
gonna
be
get
that
some
bad.
pizza, sweetie.
All right, we're
It
gonna
wasn't
go
that
get pizza. It
bad. It
shouldn't
was
be too
awesome,
bad.
and I'm so happy because I know she's really happy with it, and decluttering just like helps your overall mental health, and just everything is great. And hello, postpartum hair.
You hot? All right, we're so tired of eating out, but we're going to get pizza right now from Domino's.
You know, and I'm literally not even excited about it.
Not at all.
We're so tired being stuck upstairs in this car. In this car.
Oh, really?
You have a rough life. Not. All right, we're home. Everybody's eating pizza without me, so I'm going up in a second, but there's our front room, completely sanded. Looks amazing. What do you think, Rook? There's the dining room. It's gonna look good. Now we just gotta pick a stain color. Come on, Rook, you hungry? Come on, let's go eat. All right, everybody's ready for bed. We have been doing the advent calendar. I ended a little early yesterday, but we've got a couple more pieces. Who are we still looking for, Carter?
Ryder.
Looking for Ryder.
I thought you were looking for Rebel. I changed your mind.
No, you said Ryder.
Oh, really? The whole time I thought you were saying Rebel.
No.
Pink.
All right, is tonight the night? We're... Wow.
I'm gonna be so happy.
Oh, a Rebel vehicle. How many are we picking tonight?
2.
2 each?
I got you.
All right, one more.
What did you
Oh, that's fun. Small ones are usually people.
I like to pick one. Which one is Ella want? Which one do you want?
Who is it?
Rebel.
You got Rebel on the double? All right.
Ella wants to pick this one.
Nice.
Here you go. Look what
Oh,
Ella
you picked
picked.
another one? All right, no more.
No more, baby. You're not gonna have any left soon. Good job. You got 2.
Who's happy? Good. All right. Everybody together say, good night, YouTube.
Do that.